How to fix voicemail not working on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, see All Apps. Scroll down and search Voicemail app from here. Click on Voicemail app and click on Storage. After click on Storage, click on Clear Cache. After click on Clear Cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, click on Settings app, scroll down and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset option and click on Reset Network Setting. After click on Reset Network Settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on Settings app and search Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix voicemail not working on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.